Amazon Jeff Akingi okwayo jodak ma Busia mondo wuog oko ka romgi ne chenro mar winjo kendo ng'eyo kaka od bura mar Senate tiyo. E romo manobagi e kaunti ma Busia kod Gavana Paul Otuoma, Kingi noseo gavanas mamoko ma ok sir lwedo senators e chenro mar kedo gi mibadhi e counties gi. Kingi bende ne ochiwo siem mager ne jogo malando weche mathuo gavanas kod senators, komedo ni gavana ka gavana nyako neno ochung'ne omenda ma county e yo makare.
So there is a very thin line between Nairobi and Kajiado side. Other is Karibu. Thank you and welcome, honorable. To be my Modoniwa and my neighbor. We used to be neighbors.
Wa Busia ni muhimu muje mumuone gavana wenyu na baraza lake likieneza Senate kwamba ile hela ambayo imetoka Nairobi kuja Busia imetumika vilivyo, ili mujihusishe katika matumizi ya pesa hii ambayo nakuja Busia. Maana yake pesa hii ni wana Busia. Kwa hivyo ni nafasi murwa ya kuhakikisha kwamba wakazi wa sehemu hii wametangamana na Senate na pia wamejihusisha moja kwa moja na jinsi bunge la Senate linafanya kazi.
We can only feel welcomed, and we hope what they are going to pick up here is going to be used to strengthen devolution, to build institutions, to correct problems where they are, so that we are able to build a better